Okay, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome on stage the St. Louis Irish Arts Academy, all the way from Missouri, in the United States of America. So give them a big warm Fleadh welcome. And our musical director, Griffin, will be looking after things. She's never had that title before, but she has it today. So enjoy.
Tarjagaler ta ahis arim go Willamede Ansha Os America Hoig. Hi, I'm Griffin Reed, and this is St. Louis Irish Arts from St. Louis, Missouri, in America. We are so excited to be here today. We'd like to thank the Fleadh, Cheoil, and Scalatia and Cultus for all the amazing opportunities. None of us would be together or in this amazing city if it weren't for those organizations. Thanks very much. We're gonna take it away now with some harp pieces. Yeah, here we go.
is always a mystery to me. How the women got on before the looking glass was invented. And indeed, some of the men, if it came to that, sure, they're often enough in front of it. Well, the looking glass was invented, but there was one man that was dull of the fact. He was living in an out-of-the-way place. See, there was an excursion, and he availed himself of the low fare to travel out. And when he got to the city, he went down the main street and into a big shop, where he saw a heap of these little shiny things up on the counter. Little oblongs no bigger than a small cigarette box. So he took up one of these shiny things and put it that way in front of his face, and he says, "Oh, picture of me father." Whenever they got it, and turning to the girl inside the counter, he said, "Where'd you get these?" And she said they came from London. "Oh, London? My father was never in London. Maybe he passed through London on his way to heaven." And he says to the girl, "How much are these going for?" It was only a trifle. So he bought what he thought was a picture of his father, and he put it inside his pocket. And every opportunity he got, he'd take that out and admire his father's picture, a man he had great respect for and was dead for some time. Well, he brought home the picture of his father, but he was very careful not to let the wife see it, for indeed she did not have the same respect for the father-in-law. Which of them have? Curiosity was killing her, for she saw him going into the pocket and taking out this, whatever it was, and admiring it. Well, one day her chance came. What happened but a neighbour's chimney to go on fire. And when her husband heard all the hullabaloo, he ran out and forgot to take his coat. Oh, he was no sooner gone than her ladyship dived into the inside pocket. She took out the looking glass out of the pocket, put it up in front of her face, and said, "Who is this old hairpin?" And indeed, wherever he met her, she's no great shakes. Oh, I can tell you, if that's what's drawing him into this city, I'll soon put a stop to his gallop. She put the looking glass back into the pocket and geared herself for battle. And we all know what women can be like in such a situation. Well, her husband came back after doing the good turn for the neighbour, and of course she approached him. "Such a thing," she said. "What are you doing with this picture of this Dolly Varden inside your pocket?" And the man says, "That's not a picture of any woman. That's a picture of me father." "With a dress on him?" "Oh, she said, you'll hear more about this." Putting on her hat and coat and heading over to the presbytery. Oh, when she landed at the priest's house, Father John, you could knock him down with a feather. For he said that he knew her husband very well. That he was a nice, pious, quiet, devout man. "God help your head, Father," she said. "He has me fooled up to the ball of me eye. And what's more, he has a picture of this strange woman inside his pocket." "Oh," says Father John, "that won't do at all. Now that would be a nice headline to be giving my congregation. I better go to the house and reprimand him." Well, Father John and herself came to the house, and Father John lifted the latch. He said, "Here now, my good man, this is enough about this. Hand me out the picture of that strange woman you have there inside in your pocket." Well, her husband, when he heard that, he was hoping that a hole would come in the floor and swallow him. But he went over to the coat, took out the looking glass out of the pocket and handed it to Father John. And Father John, he put it up in front of his face. And when he saw who was looking out at him, he got a fit of laughing. Wait, the two of ye would want to get your heads examined. Sure, isn't that the parish priest who was here before me?
Very good.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, wasn't that fantastic? Would you like another wee tune before they go? Well, the next time my wife comes home, she sees me with a brush, I'm going to have a go at that one there. That was fantastic. So please, they're going to finish off with a wee tune. Here we go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Please put your hands together for the St. Louis Arts, all the way from Missouri in the United States of America. Come on, let's hear it for them, please. That's what you call the full package. Thank you.